If you want to start with flash photography, of course you have to have a flash. You have to have a flash, right? So the one that I use, and there is some consideration I'm going to talk about when you choose which flash, because I can say, oh, you just get a flash, but which one? There's so many out there today. One of the things that I keep saying over and over and over, and I'll keep saying this because this is what happened to me, and I don't want it to happen to anybody. When you're buying flashes, when you buy lighting equipment, don't buy into a piece of equipment. Buy into the ecosystem, right? Buy into, because let me step back a little bit here. This guy here is going to do it. If you are a flash photographer, you know this is where we start, right? But pretty soon you're going to start adding more light to your arsenal, right? This is really cool. You can do a lot of this, but you're going to at least buy another light, another flash, or another strobe, and then you're going to buy another one, and suddenly you have a bunch of them. And why do I say to buy into a ecosystem? Because you want these guys to talk to each other. When I say talk to each other, you want this guy here to be controlled by one trigger, and this guy and all of his friends, you want them to be controlled by the same trigger. If you buy different brands, what happens is this guy here is be controlled by one trigger, and another flash that you have from another brand, you're going to need another trigger to control both of them. One to control this one and another one to control a second trigger, right? That's why it's important to really buy into a ecosystem.